Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to All Around Talk, your ultimate destination for all things tech. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with the latest in technology. Today, we have some electrifying news that's causing ripples across the AI industry. You heard that right. Elon Musk, the tech maverick known for revolutionizing industries, has just unveiled his latest venture, an AI chatbot named Grok. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to appreciate the journey AI has made. From Siri to Alexa, and of course, the widely known ChatGPT, AI chatbots have been transforming the way we interact with technology. But what makes Grok a potential game changer? Well, that's exactly what we're going to unravel today. Here's what we'll cover in today's video. 1. A brief history of AI chatbots. 2. Introducing Grok, Elon Musk's new brainchild. 3. Grok vs ChatGPT, the Showdown. 4. Potential implications and future of AI chatbots. AI chatbots have come a long way. From simple scripted responses to complex language models like ChatGPT, AI has grown exponentially. But with each innovation, the bar is set higher. Enter Grok. Not much is known about this enigmatic chatbot, but coming from Elon Musk, we can expect some disruptive technology. Rumors suggest that Grok might integrate neural link capabilities or even have a unique learning algorithm. But how does it stack up against the beloved ChatGPT? It's the clash of the titans. ChatGPT, with its language prowess, has been a favorite for developers, writers, and even students. But Grok, with Musk's signature flair for innovation, might just have a few tricks up its sleeve. To give us a clearer picture, we'll be doing a hands-on comparison in our next video, so stay tuned for that. But the implications of this new entrant are vast. From education to customer service, and even content creation, the landscape is set to evolve. The big question is, are we ready for this change? How will Grok reshape our interaction with technology? And most importantly, what does this mean for privacy and ethical AI practices? There's a lot to ponder, and here at All Around Talk, we're just as curious as you are to uncover the answers. So, what are your thoughts on Grok? Is it the dawn of a new AI era, or just another player in the game? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget, we'll be diving deeper into Grok vs ChatGPT in our upcoming video, so hit that subscribe button to not miss out. Until then, keep exploring the verse of tech with us. Signing off. Stay curious, stay informed.